Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be trying out KADS Christmas 036. Now let's peel off the blue protective film. Now that we're done taking a closer look at the stamping plate, it's time to try out the stamping plate. I've already prepared a pastel green for today's base. So I'm using a regular nail polish with the pine green shade, and I'll be using this design and I'll be stamping it to all of my nails. Then let's proceed on doing a layered stamping. I'll be doing a layered stamping with this gingerbread man. I'll be adding a white layer of this shape first. Then I'm stamping a brown shade. After that, I'm stamping the details with white. And after that, I'm peeling off my liquid latex. And this is the glossy version of my nail art. And this one is the matte version. If you want to try out this stamping plate, the link is available on the description box below. And never forget to use my 10% discount coupon code KADS honeycrunch321. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my official social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!